Take a ride in the 2014 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.